Pooh plays hide and seek. Pooh, Tigger, and Piglet decide to play a game of hide and seek in the 100-acre wood. Tigger and Piglet run off to hide in the trees, while Pooh covers his eyes and begins to count. Tigger bounces very high into a tree. Piglet finds a good hiding place behind a tree stump. 6, 7, 8. Says Pooh. I wonder why I'm counting, he asked himself. I seem to have forgotten. Perhaps a jar of honey will help me remember. Pooh begins walking home. Soon, Tigger and Piglet realize Pooh is not seeking them anymore. They walk to his house and find him there eating honey. Pooh, you are supposed to be looking for us, says Piglet. Oh, I seem to have found you then, says Pooh. You're right here.